Good morning to all the cricketers and cricket lovers. Welcome to the match number 21 of this Saturday, where one team's playing the last match and the other team's trying to incline. Let me introduce you the team captain of Snow 11. On my right we have Sai, and to his right we've got the official Suresh, and the captain which is inclining, trying hard to fight as Velocity Strikers captain Gautam. The pitch, you can see, if you can determine the pitch, it's been looking a little cracky as the heat factor, the pitch and the cracks may disseminate themselves. So let's leave it to the captains to assess the pitch and straight go to the toss, where the umpire's got the coin in his hand and it's been given to the captain of Snow 11. Tails is the call. Heads it is. And let's hear it out from the captain of Snow 11. Bat first, last game, anything in mind?
Not really. We just won last game. Batting first and we had strong batting, so we thought we could run some good.
Any specific changes for your last game to spin around your ball and create magic?
Not really. Again, we have got one extra spinner today, so we are available. He's our regular player, so good to be having him in the lineup.
I wish you all the very best for your last game for the league stage and hope to see some blistering knock. Thank you. And let's go straight to the skip here. Standing Gautam. Toss not in your way. But what have you assessed out of the pitch and the heat factor definitely?
It shouldn't matter much because last match we went bowled first and we put a good show. We'll try to back our bases with that and try to restrict them as much as we can and chase it down.
And what do you think, I mean, for your game where, are showing some gritty battle and you require one win, so that you can seal that spot where, your team can find a comfortable position on the top table. So what would you think that restricting and chaseable total for you would be?
Yeah, it's a must-win game for us. So we'll probably try to contain them under 110 or 120 because it looks like, considering the last match was slowing down a bit. So we'll try to restrict them as much as we can and see how it goes from there.
Any changes in your squad for the day?
Yeah, we have a couple of changes.
I wish you all the very best for you for the game, which is very important for you. Thank you. And where this is the news from the centre, where Snow Boys have won the toss and elected to bat first. Captain, 5 minutes. And opening runs. It's cut away perfectly in the gap and it's gone for the boundary. For him, Sai. He has shown the glimpses, bread and butter shot. You can ball him all day long and he can bat all day long with no difficulties. Again, tickled it fine. They've got the fielder in place and will run away. Will it run away to the boundary? Inert fielding. Wouldn't the team have hoped? Slapped it away. This is what I've been telling. Bowl him day long and he'll... Cut it away. Cut it away to perfection. This man starting where he had stopped. Find the edge and will take an off genuine edge. Thickish. He's got the deep backward point inside the circle. Slapped it across. This is what I've been telling you. If you pitch upish, he... Down track. Anybody. Nobody. Here. And cleaned up the jinx. Straight is headed. Where has he? The safe pair, one more fielder. That's Hitesh. Slaps it around. This time, fielder's way too wide. Will he get in time? Yes, he gets in time. Good hands and good runnings in return. But this sweeps. Has he swept well? Seems so. This time he has picked the smacks hard. Where is it? Landing. I told you that man is a danger there. He will gallop straight away. Where have been they hiding this man? He has put the ball to leak out. Oh, very well played. Very well played this time. He just guided the ball away. This time, what a glorious shot. Absolutely magnificent to get the boundary. Oh, very well played. Oh, how glorious and regal the shot is. But nobody will have any response for a shot like that. Absolutely. The ball's taken off a thickish edge. Catch was the call, but will be a boundary again. Slaps it around. Where will it go? Oh, yes, it's like a tracer bullet. He didn't have to do anything. This time down the track. So easy. Nobody save your legs, everyone. Save your energy for the shot. Beautifully. I might fall. Skewed up. Anybody? Two fielders converging around. This would have been a mix-up. But bounced up. Fielder coming in across, and this time no mistake made. And quick succession of wicket. Sweeps it well. Is it well enough? Oh yes, without any doubt. What a beautiful slog sweep. Very good bowling and straight away, yes! Anil's got his man. Gautam was this time he sweeps. This time it will be surely boundary. This time he will not fail. He is trying desperately and his effort. Call, and this is what has happened. Anil spills his magic around. Tries. Where is it going? And the fielder did hit. The ball goes flying, and that's the wicket part, and will run away for a boundary. The ball's looped up, and will be an easy boundary for 4. Oh, how well. How well. The fielder will have to put in a lot of effort, but the effort's gone in vain. Straight downtown. Dead as an arrow. Nothing can be straighter than this. With this. Is hammered it in the fence for a big one. Swings his bat around hard. And yes, the closing boundary for Velocity Strikers, where they win. Good afternoon to all the cricketers and cricket lovers, and welcome to the post-match presentation of the match number 21 between Snow 11 versus Velocity Strikers. And you can see the man himself smiling because the smile depicts everything. A quick synopsis before we get on to synopsis. Let's take a minute to appreciate the sponsorship of our sponsors: Hell Rockers, R11, MSR Tipper Services, RR Stones, and Foursquare Sports Shop. A quick summarization of the match. What had happened is that Snow 11 won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 121 runs on the fall of 5 wickets, and Velocity Strikers managing to seal the game with 6 wickets in hand, and the man himself, Prasanna, in the frame. You can see him, and as well as the captain. Let's go straight to the captain, who has been in a rough spot today with the last game of the league match. We've got Sai in here. Let's hear it out from Sai. And tough spot again for you today.
I think we started well, and I think they bowled really well probably after the power play. Kept on bowling good lengths. They slowed it down. It was difficult to score in the middle overs. Probably we were 20-25 runs short. We should have got 140, 120, 145 probably. It would be a different game.
Definitely, I mean, the start what you gave was absolutely blaring and blazing, but then eventually what the team did in the middle overs was something which is exceptional for Velocity. I mean, somewhere on the area, if you want to expect from your knockout games, which area would you like to consider and work out on?
Obviously middle overs batting, because we have got good batting depth. We didn't utilize a lot of good batsmen. They played hardly 2-3 balls at the end. So maybe we'll show a little more aggression in the middle overs.
I mean, your knockout games are on the money. Not to pressurize you or to haunt you with your knockout games, I wish you all the very best for the knockout games. If you can stand along here for a little while until I speak with the other captain, who will be happy here. And if you can come here this side, Gautam, please. And congratulations, this was a do or die match for you. And how do you feel? I mean, sealing with your nerves on. Had any pressure on this?
Not much pressure, but it was a must-win game for us. So we did exceptionally well in all departments. Initially, we gave away a few runs, but then again we came back really hard and restricted them for 121.
And how about the role? How important is it that you've got a bunch of players, and how important is that this has been a trend which is set up for your team, that you somehow come up in the middle overs, which is very important, and you choke around with the runs, you do not leak out any runs. So how important is it, and what is the key to that?
Well, we clearly realized from our mistake what we did in the earlier match, where we couldn't finish it well in the batting department. That clearly showed here that we played really well in the batting side, and we finished it off really nice.
One game at a time. I guess you've got one more game, and any thoughts on that?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll try to continue the winning momentum in the next match as well and take it to the knockouts.
Definitely, and I'll allow the man to come himself, Prasanna, who was absolutely brilliant, who was very jolly in attitude, but isn't jolly when he gets bat and ball in hand, was very serious, and his figures, which reflect 44 runs of just 31 balls and 4 overs bowling and conceding 20 runs with 1 wicket. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
And how would you feel, and how is it important being a match winner down the order? Is it any different playing down the order?
Nothing, it's a good feeling, but thanks to captain for trusting me and sending me above the order and giving me the bowling opportunity also. So as per the field set, I have bowled and that's it.
As a spinner, do you think that is it got on the pitch any type of assistance? What do you feel like a spinner?
Yeah, from the captain and from the Revant, I got assistant, so I bowled as per their field set and
And any thoughts that you blister? We've seen Revant bat today up the order, and do you feel that you should also get an opportunity to that you should be promoted up like an opener?
that you should ask captain for that question. I don't have any answer for that.
Okay, Prasanna, thank you and enjoy the moment and cherish it well. Thank you.